This project's a 280 linear feet. We removed wooden fence panels and replacing with 4-foot tall pressed spear picket panel, black steel powder coat. So the footage begins here at this pillar. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna tie into this side. From here, pretty much a straight shot. We're dropping poles 2 feet in the ground, put concrete in them, and then come and hang the prefab panels. Here's some of the stuff that came off the old fence. And the columns were not stable, so we knocked them down. There's another column there. These are the 2 Mexican diggers.
The Mexican niggers?
I won't show their face. I think it's like 38 posts or 35 posts, something like that. The old fence once again, and we got a dumpster over there, and that dumpster is going to be used to throw the brick columns away. We're going to walk up here, and the fence line ends right at that small pedestrian gate. So this gate's gonna close like this. We'll have a post right at the corner of that gate. We'll die into that column. The other fence panel right there. And then from here all the way down will be the remaining of the fence line we have to complete. The posts are 2x2s. All completed with the project. It's a 4-foot pressed spear picket panels with 2x2 posts. We started right here, right at this gate. It's about 280 feet and it ends over there. And then we tie it here, and that's where it ends. So if you're looking to get a fence done on a budget, these panels here are going to be our starting product. They are available in 4 foot, 5 foot, and 6 foot tall. So this is the baseline, pretty much, steel fencing, and then it goes up from this point on, depending on design.